Players. So JudgeChutkan has once again had to chin check Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Baby, she looked at those motions to delay Frumpy Dump's trial until 2026 and said, honey, all of your excuses sound like PPs, personal problems, and I ain't having it. So she done set that trial for March 4th, 2024. Baby, y'all grab y'all tea and have a seat. Let's talk about it. So as we know, honey, Frumpy Dump has a federal case in Washington charging him with trying to overturn the results of the 2020 election. Now, Frumpy Dump filed a motion asking for the trial to start in April of 2026. Well, honey, the judge looked at that motion and said, you must be crazy, and set that trial for March 4th, 2024. Oh, yes, honey. It's true. JudgeChutkan actually rebuffed the claims that Frumpy Dump's attorneys was making that April 2026 trial date was actually necessary to account for the huge volume of evidence they say they were reviewing to prepare for what they contend is a novel and unprecedented prosecution. Baby, they said that there were 1 million pages of evidence and they would have to read 100,000 pages of evidence to be able to be ready for the initial trial date that Jack Smith asked for, which was January of 2024. Now, the judge agreed with that. However, she said that the public has a right to prompt and efficient resolution of this matter. So basically, the judge said, I don't care if you got to read 100,000 pages. You better hire some more people. I mean, you fleeced up $250 million from the Magamites and the Frumpy Dump Tank Sniffers, so you better use some of that money to get some people to read this evidence because we going to trial expeditiously. And also, Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team was arguing that Frumpy Dump had too much personal stuff going on. He just couldn't possibly show up to court, honey. He has the business of running for president, and he also has these other pending cases. So there's no way that he could show up for this election interference case when he has to take care of all those other cases, honey. Well, baby, Judge Chucky said, your argument, I ain't having it. She said, and I quote, I want to note here that setting a trial date does not depend and should not depend on the defendant's personal or professional obligations. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Baby, I was clutching my invisible damn pearls when I read that. Baby, JudgeChutkan was not having it. Now listen, it's very important to note that just because we have a trial date of March 4th, 2024, that doesn't mean it's going to happen. I'm pretty sure Frumpy Dump is going to appeal the judge's decision. We're going to have to wait on that. We also have motions that have to be dealt with. I mean, there's a lot of things that go into a trial, especially one of this magnitude. But, I mean, setting a trial date this soon, and that's right before what Fannie Willis, I think that's right in the thick of when Fannie Willis wants Frumpy Dump. Baby, it's about to be a fucked up 2024 for Frumpy Dump, and I'm going to keep it a stack with you. I'm here for it all. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Double D Mother for the Black Accurate News.